Hello, this is Laura. Welcome to day 6 of your 60-day English Fluency Challenge. Today, I want to ask you something simple but powerful. If someone starts talking to you in English right now, are you ready to respond? Or do you feel nervous, confused, or stuck? If your answer is yes, that is completely normal. Because speaking English in real conversations is very different from practicing alone, and today, we are going to fix that. Today's focus is real-life conversation practice, not theory, not memorization, but actual speaking. Let me explain something important. Many learners practice English, but they practice in isolation. They speak alone. They repeat sentences. But when a real conversation happens, they panic. Why? Because they are not used to interaction. So today, we're going to simulate real conversations. Even if you are alone, you will train your brain to respond naturally. Your first exercise is called question and answer practice. I will give you simple questions, and you will answer them out loud. Do not think too much, just respond. For example, if someone asks you, "What did you do today?" You can say, "Today I spent some time practicing my English, and I also focused on my daily tasks." If someone asks, "Why are you learning English?" You can say, "I am learning English because I want to communicate confidently and improve my opportunities." If someone asks, "How do you practice English every day?" You can say, "I practice English by speaking out loud, listening to content, and trying to think in English." Now here's your task. Answer these questions in your own way. Do not copy exactly. Make it personal. Your second exercise is called react and continue. This is where your English becomes more natural. Imagine someone says, "I'm feeling tired today." You can respond, "I understand. Sometimes I also feel tired, but I try to stay productive." Then continue the conversation. "What do you usually do when you feel tired?" Or imagine someone says, "I want to improve my English." You can respond, "That's great. I am also working on my English, and I practice every day to get better." Then ask, "How do you usually practice?" This is how real conversations work. You respond and then you continue. Now let's go deeper. Your third exercise is talk for 1 minute. Choose a simple topic and speak for 1 minute without stopping. For example, talk about your daily routine. You can say, "My daily routine is quite simple. I usually wake up in the morning, check my phone, and then start my day. I try to practice English every day because I want to improve. In the evening, I relax and sometimes watch English videos to improve my listening skills," or talk about your goals. "One of my goals is to become fluent in English. I want to speak confidently without hesitation. I know it will take time, but I am ready to practice every day and stay consistent." This exercise trains your brain to organize thoughts quickly. Now let me give you something deeper to think about. Fluency is not just about speaking. It is about connecting with people. It is about expressing your ideas, your thoughts, your emotions. And that is why conversation practice is so important. Now let me speak to you in a calm, honest way. You might still feel nervous when you imagine a real conversation. That is okay. Confidence does not come before action. It comes after repeated action. The more you practice like this, the more natural it will feel, and slowly your fear will disappear. Now, let me remind you of something powerful. You already have all the tools you need. You have learned how to speak daily, how to build sentences, how to think in English. Now you're just connecting everything together. And if you want extra practice, go back to your previous lessons on this channel. Listen again, repeat again, and answer the questions again. Use those videos like real conversations. Pause, respond, continue. That is how you improve faster. Now, before we finish, I want you to take action. Write in the comments, day 6 complete, and this time, answer this question in one full sentence. Why do you want to speak English fluently? For example, I want to speak English fluently because I want to communicate confidently and create better opportunities for myself. Make it personal. Make it real. This is Laura. And remember, fluency is not built by learning alone. It is built by speaking, responding, and connecting. I'll see you in day 7. Keep going.